unexpectedly went for a ride with Sir Shukla.
Huh?
Unexpectedly, and we reached Umkhen.
Because your name is Umkhen.
Umkhen.
This is a good place to swim.
Umkhen. Woo! I think only one dip is enough. If the dip is
One dip will not do anything.
no. Guys, quite deep here. Sir.
See, we do not have a real pant, no?
I don't think I can take back. It's cold.
No, first you put legs. Then only you full body. Otherwise you feel cold. Some vessel is coming.
Oh, it's thunder. Sir, it's thunder.
Right from here. From top.
Very good. Kwah! No. Oh, it's so good. Enough. Very good. Very good.
I'm also coming.
Thunder! What thunder?
I'm also coming.
Come fast. I can wait. Oh, my mobile fell off. Oh, temak hap mobile. Small dive. Nice. Again. One more. Do splash. Yeah. Wow, one dip. Two dip. Three dip. Done. Swim. Swim to here. Swim here. Swimming. It's okay, you can swim, you can float. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Stun, guys. Sedang. Lawan. Mulai teli. Oh, gebek. Dan. Kekhun dah. Kekhun dah. Tarang tu gelap penjam nak. Oh, gelap hai biang. Pada. Stun guys.